Welcome to PDFLiner Easy Guides. In this video, we are going to show you how to send your PDF for a signature using PDFLiner. In today's digital world, it's all about efficiency and security. PDFLiner offers both, allowing you to get your documents signed quickly and legally. Follow the link in the description to open PDFLiner and upload your document using this form. If you don't have the document ready, no worries, you can find a variety of documents in our library. Once the editor is loaded, you can find all the tools to modify your documents over here. For your task, you need the Send to Sign tool. You can find this by clicking the Share button or by selecting the Sign field in your document. Now it's time to add your signee. Enter the email address in the New Recipient field and click Add. If your document doesn't have sign fields, you can easily add them by clicking Add Signature field. Once you've added all your signees and signature fields, hit the Send to Sign button. An invite email will be sent to each recipient, guiding them to add their signature. Remember, once a document is signed by even one recipient, it cannot be edited, and you can only duplicate it without a signature and edit the copy. This is to ensure legal standards are met. For those receiving the document, the process is just as simple. They click the link in the email, choose their signature field, create electronic signature, and sign the document. After signing, they need to double-check the document and click Finish and Send Document to return the signed PDF. And that is all. You've successfully sent a PDF for signature using PDFLiner and got it signed. You'll be notified via email once the document is all set. If you like this guide, click the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PDF editing tips. Using PDFLiner, you can also edit, sign, convert, and share any PDF documents and have unlimited access to thousands of fillable forms. Learn more at pdfliner.com.